referring, there are incentives which case to case I can refer to people. Thank you. That's it.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Radhakrishnan.
Friends, we got a quick introduction about Radhakrishnan. If you have understood and if you feel like becoming a brand friend, please open the application, or you can write it down in as a bangaloredirectory.com. Later, you can also become a brand friend for the same company. And meanwhile, the phone numbers are also available. So people who would like to reconnect with them, it is also the phone numbers are available in the application as well. So you can reconnect, and also then you can become brand friend also. Thank you, Radhakrishnan. We're looking for the next business. Mr. Sujan Ajay.
Mr. Sujan.
Okay, I couldn't see Mr. Sujan here. I'll just give a highlight about this business. Robo Customized. Robo Customized is a company who create interesting designs t-shirts. So it is like a customer service only for t-shirts only. Maybe it is for a branding perspective or specialized designs. So Sujan usually gives a personalized service. He meets the people and get it chosen, and you can use it for promotion percentage also. Like now you can, if you wish to have this company as your brand friend, you can always choose become brand friend and refer Mr. Sujan. He's been located in Banaswadi, Bangalore. So coming to the next business, Miss Manjushri. Okay. Since it's an Independence Day, we have close to 30 plus people, but maybe it's an Independence Day which is making it cozy. Anyways, we will have an introduction about Sadhguru Comfort Stay. It is an PG which is being located in Marathalli, Sarjapur, Bangalore, and Manjushri is a founder of it, and they have quite an ample space where, and right now due to the COVID thing, many pandemic situation, all the IT/BT sectors have left down, and any person who is looking for some space or for maybe like a service apartment kind of stuff, we can definitely remember Sadhguru Comfort Stay, and whenever we refer, there is an incentive for the same. So right now, the audience who are listening to us, we can also have the bandwidth of owning a PG. So this is Sadhguru Comfort Stay.
Sunil, can I add a line for that?
Sure, Muralidhar.
Yeah, Manjushri basically has, she has about 16 apartments, and she takes women only as PG candidates, and she has the option of giving the apartments on single or double sharing or triple sharing, and she would welcome all the techies and students who would be, either working or need to reside in that area around Whitefield. Marathalli and Whitefield.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Coming to next one. Hi, Priyadarshini.
Miss Priya, she was there.
Yes, I could see she was here. Priya, if you are there, kindly unmute and talk.
Hello, Miss Priya.
Okay, maybe she's facing some technical issues. Let's get back to Townscape Studio again once she's back. Priya, once you're back, do update us. Hi, Nagarakshan.
Hi.
Please introduce your business.
Yeah. Good evening, friends. My name is Nagarakshan. First of all, let me wish you all a happy Independence Day. So my company name is Alankar Makeup Studio and Event Management. So I just take care of marketing and all other stuffs of these two companies. And Alankar Makeup Studio is headed by my wife Manasa. We have about 5 makeup artists who work for us, so headed by Manasa, and we are very much familiar in social media by name of Makeover by Manasa. So coming to the point, explaining about our business, we mainly concentrate on the bridal makeovers. So as you all know, beauty is a part of girls and women's, which is very much important. And so our main agenda is making up the special day of the girl to be always noted for that point. And we are basically into different kinds of makeups, bridal makeup, fancy makeups, party makeups, different kinds of makeup. But as I mentioned earlier, we mainly concentrate on bridal makeovers. So my wife she's a specialist makeup artist in bridal makeovers. So any of you are willing to support us, becoming a brand friend of ours, so we surely welcome on this. And the beauty part of the thing is, what happens is we have a package. So normally each session of the package starts from 12,000 rupees per session. So here when I'm mentioning per session, it is the cost of one makeup that we call as HD bridal makeovers. That includes makeup, hairdo, fancy hairdo, and saree draping. So per session, it would be 12,000 rupees. So usually for marriages, there will be 2 to 3 sessions. So overall, our billing will be around 24 to 36,000. So for any of the brand fund, this is very good opportunity to earn the incentives on reference, because as we have mentioned, we are paying 10% of the incentive on this. So please make a good referring program and use it for yourselves. And I request all the business owners also to become a band friends of ours, and so that we can internally help each other and grow our business on this part. And at last, I just want to thank Mr. Sunil to giving such a good platform. We are into this marketing section from past many years, because once we started, but this is something particularly new type concept. So which we are looking forward that we can improve our business through even in these channels. Thank you very much for Sunil. And people, if you want to follow our social media, please, you can just go ahead with makeover_by_Manasa. We are familiar on this one. And at the point like event management also, we take A to Z services of any of the events, marriages, birthday parties, and any other things. So on that also, you can just contact us. Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Thanks a lot,
Thank
Mr.
you,
Nagarakshan.
Nagarakshan. And Do Friendly is a platform, and but Word of Mouth Club was purely started by Murlidhar Padaki. I think this was a very much experiential thing, and I am also very much interested to be part of this. And it's quite interesting because Murlidhar is a person who wanted to. He's a very hard to. Means he likes each and every entrepreneur and wants to unite each other to make it vocal for local. And this is one of his initiative also. With Together's presence,
it's
we were
really
able to,
great.
yeah.
It's really great. Yeah, but because I am like, I just knew you, I just mentioned you on that.
No,
Yeah.
yes.
Nagarakshan, to add up, I'll be one of your prospective customer. My niece is getting married.
Yeah, I just saw that video. Recorded
Thank
video,
you,
I just saw.
Thank you.
Yeah, surely you can just share the reference. We'll get in touch with you.
Why not? Why not? Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Nagarakshan.
Thank you, Nagarakshan. Venki. Hi, Venki.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Venki Krishnamurthy. I'm part of a company called Vidyapurna Technique. We are based in BTM layout. Our primary services is software for MSMEs. The thing that you see on the slide is called a software called JBIS. It's actually a package of 10 softwares in one particular pack. It's a cloud solution where a business, whatever be the size, can manage their entire business flow, say right from an inquiry coming in till the last paise is collected. It includes management of your billing, accounting, your leaves, your payroll, your inventory, if you're selling a product, and it also manages the entire accounting stuff. So we have about 65 clients as of today. We are a Bangalore-based company. We are a 10-year-old organization working primarily with MSMEs. And this is a cloud solution which can be taken world over, and your customer need not be based only in India, but can be anywhere because it's a cloud solution. The highlight of this particular software is the customer gets to pay year on year, which means that you would continue to get the incentive year on year. That is our commitment for each and every referrals. The commissions range anywhere from 15 to 25%. That is what you get, and you can go ahead and refer us. And so far, we have got 65 happy customers who are on the cloud, and customers come and renew back, and you get your incentive automatically from our system because we maintain everything on this system only. Okay. Thank you very much.
Mr. Venki, can we know what kind of customers are you looking for from our side?
The customers are not going to be a particular vertical, but we are looking at any business owner who wants to, I wouldn't call it automation, but need to have, instead of using a Microsoft Word, Excel sheet, and a PowerPoint to do something, they can use a single software to maintain their customer or inquiry data, or to generate a bill or a quotation, maintain the payment receipts, and even a payroll and attendance and HR related stuff. So the customer could be a one-person company, or it could be a 100 or 200 people company, because the number of users could be as many as they wanted. There is no restrictions on that, and customer only pays for the number of users that they subscribe for us.
Fantastic.
What is the minimum cost of the software, Mr. Venki?
Single user would be about 20,000 per year. Three users would be 30,000 per year. Five users would be 35,000 per year.
Okay, single user is 20,000. So what is the database we can, so what will be the size of the database you'll be giving us?
Absolutely no restrictions on the size of data.
Okay.
That's the difference. There is no restriction on number of employees. There's no restriction on number of bills. There's no restrictions on number of people that you, for whom you can generate, or number of products that you could have.
Okay, so every year there is a renewal charges.
Exactly.
So what is that, usage is 20,000, and every year what will be the renewal charges?
As of today, it is 20,000. I would suggest anywhere with an add-in inflation of 8 to 10%.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine. Okay, thanks a lot.
Sure.
So let us assume that this year I'm going to buy this software for 20K. Then next year again I'll be paying 20 plus 18% of inflation.
Don't talk about 18%. 8%.
8%.
8 to 10% is the inflation that we are looking at it, not 18%.
Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Thanks a lot. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. I mean, but your incentive will come in for you even the next year. Though through brand friendly, I will actually give you the first incentive today, and you will see it over there. The next year when the customer renews, whichever that you referred today, you will get that incentive. That is a commitment that we have from our side.
Okay, fine. Okay, okay.
You don't have to again refer that customer for the customer renewing it for us.
Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Thanks a lot. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
This is really motivating for all the brand ambassadors. Voluntarily, you are coming forward and offering it to us. That's something really we'll keep this in mind.
Sure. Thanks, Muralidhar.
Thanks. Thanks a lot, Mr. Venki.
My pleasure. Thanks.
Mr. Jagdish.
Mudita, would you mind to introduce? I think I don't see Jagdish here.
No, he's not. I think he's not there.
Okay, you can give some highlight about Jagdish so that.
Yeah, Mr. Jagdish, I mean, he's a friend of mine, and he has a very interesting wide range of food products made out of chia and other things. And he's a Bangalore-based company. So I think I'll be able to send the details maybe later. So.
Okay, so putting it in a one-liner, he has something called superfoods, which are like very delicious and specific. Like maybe it's a mango-driven or even a imli kind of stuff. They have made it in a superfoods. It's like excellent in protein or vitamins. They have very much planned food package things. And last time when he introduced, it was quite interesting. This is something what we remember. So just by, it's like equivalent like gifting also, or we can make it try for our own meals and lunch dinners as well. So Jagdish is Saturday Superfoods Private Limited. We can have more discussion in having face-to-face talk with him. Maybe further we can connect. For now, let's go to the next company. Hi, Gajigauri.
Hello everyone. My name is Gajigauri and our firm name is VRG Printing. We do photo printing on mugs and mobile panel printing and percussion printing, and also the mobile pop sockets, fur cushions, etc. and all types of sublimation printing we do. And we take online orders. That's all.
Nice, Gajigauri. So you mean to say that keychains, like maybe a fancy mobile back cover, all these kind of includes? Wow,
Yeah.
that's good to know. Good to know. Friends, I think this is printing is something like it's each and every person's luxury element. We can definitely remember, but immediately when somebody we see anyone's empty phone, I think that is an opportunity for us. We can tell them, hey, why don't you make it a printing, VRG printing, printed mobile panels. And all we have to do is become brand friend for VRG printing, and Gajigauri will take care of all the rest of things. And now we also own VRG printing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gajigauri. And Guru Raj?
So Guru Raj Rao? Can you unmute yourself, sir? Mr. Guru Raj Rao? He's there. He's not unmuting.
I could see him. So I think he's searching for mute button.
Yeah. Let's give him some time. Mr. Guru Raj Rao, please unmute yourself.
Guru Raj, you just again put back into mute. Just unmute, no?
Yeah.
Yes, now we can hear you.
Yeah, this is Guru Raj Rao, representing Leela Enterprises. It is started in 2017. We are into marketing of products like cloth drying hangers, mosquito mesh doors and windows, and shoe. Where cloth drying hangers is surpassed from conventional drying cloth hangers by making use of pulleys. It is very easy to pull the hangers and put the wet cloths and pull it up. So it is easy because of pulleys. And whereas mosquito mesh to keep ourselves safe and from the deadly mosquitoes and free from some sleep. And footwear, we have that this shoe racks, wall mounting shoe racks to keep the footwears inside and see that this one is clean and tidy in the entrance of the house is what we are doing. So the customers are individual homes, apartments, like that. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Gurraj Rao. And so you mentioned individuals and apartment owners. That's a kind of connect you're looking for, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So in specific, we can have shoe racks, mosquito net doors, and even the clothing hanging system. These are the three things I could hear. Thank you, Gururaj. Will definitely become your brand friend.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Chandrasekhar, LIC Premium Point. Okay, we have a lot of absence today. Mr. Chandrasekhar is a LIC agent, as well as he's having his Premium Point segment in near Kurubrelli bus stop. So people looking for LIC or any other insurance support, we can connect to LIC Premium Point. I think this is next business, Sri Datta HR Services. Instead of Suma, Manisha will be representing.
Yeah, Ms. Manisha will be representing.
Yeah, hello everyone. This is Manisha here. Suma madam could not attend the meeting, so that's the reason I'm attending. So happy Independence Day to everyone.
Ms. Manisha, can you switch on your video if you don't mind?
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Madam could not attend the meeting, so that's the reason I'm attending here. So happy Independence Day to everybody. And then when it comes to the HR services, what exactly is, we provide manpower supply to the, not only to the companies, for every institute or whatever it is, we can supply the manpower. Majorly, we are into the companies where people looking out for the jobs, we are able to provide them. We can put them in some of the other companies because we are tied up with some of the different companies, not only with IT or anything. It is not even based on the qualifications that they have done. If people are not skilled or not educated also, we can put them in some of the other jobs. And then we are getting into the other part of our businesses where we can provide internships to the people who have taken the specialization of human resource. For them, we can provide the same, like internship or any project work they wanted to complete with a human resource things. We can go with the projects, we can give them the internship or such kind of a things. We can go with this. And one more thing is, like, let me be open, because it is not only free jobs that we go up with, it is even a paid version also, where, because it's a consultancy, we hold some service charges because it is our business. That's the reason I am just open with you people. There are certain things where we go up with the money, and certain things where we don't even charge a single pie with the candidates. We give out free jobs, and some are paid jobs, and some are backdoor jobs. Whatever it is, a person who are in need with a job, we can fulfill their needs. So this is what our work into. And slowly, a few people can refer to the institutes where people can go with the internships or any project completions. You can refer us. We can provide them a stipend or a paid HR services where people can learn human resource with us. So that is practical learning. So this is what we can provide with them. So this is a short and sweet thing about our company.
Yeah. Fantastic. Ms. Manisha, let me tell you one success story of Word of Mouth Club. Yes. We started 3 weeks back. I got to know one more registered vendor in DoFriendly app. Yes. About HR services. I got impressed with the kind of services he is providing. And today I have become one of his strong brand ambassadors promoting all the requirements of his through my contacts, and almost about 10 or 15 referrals I have passed on to him in less than 1 week time. So I've become one of his strong brand ambassadors currently for him.
Yeah, so sweet. And one more thing I would like to tell you people is like, I am also tied up with your company. You people know or doesn't know. But then, yeah, we are taking a vendorship that where we can provide you a people. Like, yeah, so that's the thing where we are providing a field sales executives to you people. So I'm privileged to inform this word in front of our Go Friendly team.
Fantastic.
So
Okay.
yeah, so very soon we'll be sending you the candidates. Please do hire my candidates.
Sure.
Thank you, Manisha. Thanks for introduction. Let's focus to the brand friends. I hope the audience, they have understood about your services. Definitely, we'll try our best for bringing value for your company. Thank you, Manisha. Going for the next company.
Yeah.
Epoxo Solutions. Mr. Rajiv Singh.
Rajiv is not there.
Oh my God. Okay. Epoxo Solutions is a waterproofing solution company. Here, any kind of a water dripping to any kind of a sanitization work or any kind of a patchwork where water leakage is happening. He's an amazing person. Rajiv is so specific. He has a complete infrastructure and he has done more than 30 years of experience in this domain. And he's a one-point contact. He never charges for his personal visit. He gives a proper solution, and if we like, we can take up his service. These are the guys who are very professional and ethical as well. And for any kind of waterproofing solutions, definitely you can remember Epoxo Solutions. And I myself recommend Epoxo Solutions, and I'm one of the brand friend for them. So coming to the next company, Mr. Prashant, M2B Labs. Mr. Prashant?
No, Prashant from M2B is not there, Sunil.
Okay, M2B Labs is something a little unique. Here what is happening is any person who is looking for diagnostic services, they just need to give a call and the M2B team will come back and take the sample collections, they do the analysis and also send the reports completely online. So Mr. Prashant is a company he's owning M2B Labs, and now we also can own a diagnostic company in our fingertips. Just by any time when we listen or hear somebody is looking for, searching for, and they are unable to go out because of the COVID thing, I think now you can also start becoming a brand friend and refer Prashant. And he's really a person we can think about him, and this company would definitely do the justice of making a good conversion, and their support staff is also quite active too. So with this M2B Labs, we go for the next company, ValEd Initiative. ValEd Initiative, Deepti. Okay, she had messaged me last minute asking for, I was unable to upload the image, but she, Deepti, are you here?
No, Deepti is not there, Sunil.
Okay, she had messaged me to again, she was saying that she will join. Anyways, ValEd Education is a value education. It is being started by Mayank. They are put up in Malleshwaram area. And since that person is not there, even I am not sure aware about this company. I will keep it as a pass for now. And meanwhile, to support other entrepreneurs also, if anyone who is registered in Do Friendly and would like to talk about their business, like Saraswati ma'am, would you like to introduce your company?
Yes, Sunil.
Yes, please introduce about your company.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Saraswati. My company is a startup. We are catering into the services of financial products like LIC, mutual fund, TMAT, home loans, and general insurance. So right now, I want to focus on this Jeevan Shanti, which is going to be closing by this maybe another couple of days this month. due to the revision of repo rates from RBI. So I request everybody to refer at least 1 or 2 clients if who is planning to put their money in FDs or long-term investment. Thank you.
Thank you, Saraswati. Can you tell me your company name again so that brand friends who are using app, they can remember you?
Yeah, it is SNS Consultants. SNS Consultants.
SNS Consultant.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Any other
Thank you.
person who would like to talk? Mr.
Sunil, I
Prakash?
saw Mr. Sujan online. Sujan Ajay online.
Sujan?
Sujan was
are you
there.
able to hear us?
Yes, sir.
Can you switch on your video also, Sujan?
Okay, sir. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Sujan, can you introduce your company so that people can become your brand friend?
Hello.
Yes, Sujan,
Hello.
go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. I'm Sujan Ajay here. And I'm 20 years old, and my startup is a baby startup as of now. And my company is called as Robo Customize. So in where we provide customized t-shirts, corporate gifting, and all kind of customized branding services. So yes, so that is what my company is about. And if you find anyone who is in requirement of customized t-shirts with logo printing or any kind of services, you can always refer me, and I'll be able to provide the best quality services at the shortest time in the best price. So yes, sir.
Thank you, Sujan.
Thank you, Sujan.
Murlidhar sir?
Murlidhar Kalsapuru.
Kalsapuru, would you like to introduce your business too?
Yes, I would like to invest. Hello, all. My name is Muralidhar Kalsapura. I'm a certified financial goal planner. I represent my firm Wealth Group Finserv. We provide services in taxation and products related to insurance, mutual fund, bonds, deposits, and other financial products. Our USPs are we are in this business for over a decade, more than 10 years. We have a base of more than 250 clients. And our advantage is we are into full-time financial services business. And we recommend only well-regulated and approved by the regulators. And we provide unbiased guidance to our clients on various investment options. And we have online facility for many of our services. And we have wide range of products available with us. What we do is we deal with tax planning of the investor. We sell mutual funds and various schemes of mutual fund like systematic investment plan, tax saver schemes. And we provide life insurance, term plan, health insurance, general insurance. And we also provide company deposits, capital gain bonds, RBA bonds, debentures, demat account opening, share trading account, P2P lending. It's a new concept which is approved by RBI, where the investor can get good amount of through P2P lending. We also provide loan against securities. Suppose somebody has invested already in shares or mutual fund. If they want to avail finance against it, we provide that with our tie-ups. And we are adding more products in the days to come. As a brand fund of ours, you can earn attractive incentive by promoting your products and services. The main advantage for you is availability of wide range of products and services all under one roof. And we maintain utmost transparency in our transactions, and we are known for among our clients. So you can refer as anyone who wants to achieve financial freedom or who wants to have a cash flow or achieve their financial goals. They can be our clients. So you can target anyone for that matter. So hope you see all your product. You can find our company Wealth Group Finserv. We do friendly app. Thank you for giving an opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Muralidhar. Wealth Grow Finserv is the company name which is available. Wealth Grow Finserv. That's available in Do Friendly. I think most of the introduction has happened. Friends, let's give a value for the time what we have spent here. We are close to like 15 businesses we have heard. We have heard about IT business like GGIS, and as well as the financial consultant, insurance domain, and we also saw food tracks, mosquito nets, and customized robo customized t-shirts as well. Mr. Nagarashan as a bridal maker, and we also had other businesses like Sarade Foods or interior designers. Technically, there are so many businesses which are available and doing services. But we as a person, we every day spend so much of time on the WhatsApp, Facebook, here and there. We keep listening about the people talking about businesses. But we are so focused or narrow focused that we whenever see related to our business, we just focus and give attention to it. But to do business, profit making is also a part of it. But to make profit, it cannot be only by our business also. Now there is a bandwidth. Being a community people like Word of Mouth Club, we can earn from n number of businesses. Every opportunity or every lead can be converted just by using your word of mouth. For example, I can also become immediately Guru Raj Rao's brand friend. Only thing is understand the objective. Like when you're going to an apartment or an independent house, just by topic creation of like, hey, you are leaving footwears outside, why don't you make a rack? One introduction of it, you can also create the economy for, means the order for Guru Raj also. Being a brand friend, every time you talk, you can create so much of opportunities. So this is the bandwidth of Do Friendly. Right now, there are so many businesses, but you can also build your interested businesses. You can invite to the Word of Mouth Club, or you can reach out to me or Mr. Muralidhar Padaki, so that when you update them, Muralidhar or myself will update them, telling that if you are being into this platform, we can connect you to the other people as well. And you as a person, brand friend, you can onboard any business and also make an incentive out of it also. So every time you onboard, you can also earn by from the mobile application itself. And one thing for sure is every person's word of mouth is valuable. It was so far been an hidden asset. Now by tracking it, and we can have a transparency in application. Every time you talk about other business, you can have a track about it, and you can have a transparency, and there is no need of negotiation at all. There is no shy feeling of taking or giving also, because online solves that problem, and we can build relationship and trust, and proudly you can tell we are running refer and earn. Your word of mouth is valuable for us. So with this, I will leave it to Mr. Muralidhar if you want to share some insights about today's meeting, or we are also open for question and answers related to technology or any about companies.
Sunil, I would like to add a couple of things. This is our third meeting, word of mouth meeting. We started on 1st of August, 1st, 8th, and the 15th.
Yes.
So every Saturday we plan to roll out this meeting with a single objective of helping all the registered vendors of Do Friendly connecting with brand ambassadors. We always request each of our vendors to invite your own business friends and your other well-wishers to come and have a look at this. They can become business owners of various products and services which are there, or if they are owning their own business, they can connect with other brand ambassadors and start growing their business. So next meeting, we would like all of you who are here to ask your one person at least, ask them to come and join, look at this huge opportunity that is there, and they can grow their business or they can start making passive income out of this wonderful concept. Thank you.
And friends and audience, if you have any queries or specific to any business, please ask.
This is Sunita here. I just want to know what is the procedure of joining as a band, to be part of word of mouth.
Sunita, it's a mobile application called Do Friendly. It's a free application. Any person can download this. It is just, you just need to enter your phone number and your name, and OTP verification will come, and you are eligible to refer any businesses.
Okay, fine. Okay, okay, fine. Okay.
To
So we
add
need
your business, there is a small one-time payment of 1,000 rupees for adding a business. It's a lifetime fee. It is.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Thank you.
Mr. Sunil,
Hi, Radhakrishnan. Yes.
yeah, is there any campaign facility within the app to update our business detail? Maybe paid also?
Yes, Radhakrishnan. Right now, the campaign, in the sense, we have something called within the application. This answers for every vendor, means do friendly business users. Within the application and the network tab, there is a button called Promote Now. Think about the logical way, like word of mouth is something very personalized. Your customers, friends, and family talk more about you. Now, by using Promote Now button, you can notify your known people so that they get to know that there is refer and earn for in your business. When they know little bit about you, they don't mind referring customers to you easily. Blindly, they will refer it to you. And when they are getting some incentive out of it, they definitely feel it comfortable of sharing to you rather than for unknown person. And meanwhile, within the platform, right now 3,400 plus people are there. We are trying to notify them, but many people are unable to join in the same moment. But referrals are happening. Just in the last, even though the pandemic time, total from the last 2 months, we have crossed 600 plus referrals within the platform. 600 plus referrals has happened. Conversion rates are quite low. I can leave it to the, maybe it's a pandemic or very shortly, but conversions are little low, but referrals are happening. Trust me, friends, when referral happens from the third person, there is a worth behind it. There is a huge worth behind it. Yes, Radhakrishnan. I think this is the only platform, Promote Now, it's the only option available in the application where you can build your own forum into the application.
Thank you, Mr. Sunil.
Mr. Sunil, Nagarakshan here.
Yes, Nagarakshan.
I just want to check, like, is there...
We couldn't hear you, Nagarakshan. There was a break.
I just want to know whether we can update more pictures, because initially we could only upload 3 pictures in the app. Is there any option, or is that limited to 3?
It's a 3+1 is available. Up to 4 you can try it, but I recommend only 3 is more than sufficient. Most of your business, the people who are randomly checking out the application, they try to study about you and they become your brand friend. And think about the use case scenario. Whenever some person is trying or asking or doing the talking, no, the usage of application is maximum not even 5 to 10 seconds. They just open it, click refer and leave it out. So 3 images is more than sufficient for delivering the content. If they need more info, you can update your website or even contact number is open there. They will definitely reach back to you.
Sure, thank you.
And one more thing to add to that, please go back to your app and see your company profile. The first image, that should be really be catchy. The minute we see the brand ambassadors see it, they should get attracted to the kind of products or services that you're offering, and they should feel like becoming your brand friend and start connecting. That's something we should all work on it. Thank you.
Any other questions, friends? Thank you. With this, we can always make this is a memorable Independence Day for Word of Mouth Club. Also, it is a 3rd event, and with the warm congratulations for each of the participants. Thanks for joining and spending some time. I hope we brought some value, and it's always a learning experience, meeting and greeting with the people. And in today's meeting, we understood 15 plus businesses, and now you can also become a brand friend of it. Now, with this, we will wrap up this meeting. Thank you so much for your time, and for any assistance or doubts related to Do Friendly or Word of Mouth Club, Mr. Muralidhar and myself, I'm available, and you can drop us WhatsApp or messages. We can get back to you. Thank you, friends. Have a great evening. See you all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.